Okay guys, so finally after ng ilang days ng pagpupuyat, as in natutulog na tayo ng around 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. ng umaga, the final design of my website are finally online. So welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Francis and ako po ay isang full-time photographer working on a cruise ship. You can find me also at francisalmores.com. Okay guys, so finally this is my actual final design of my website. So ikinonect ko din yung aking domain here sa aking website. Now it has a official header here with some page navigation. Around it is this main headline. Then I have also this opt-in form where actually one of the most important thing when it comes to website is having an opt-in form. So the main purpose of it is to capture visitors information, especially email. Now I have this picture of mine that I took, I think, in Mexico. Then I have some navigation folder here. Some of them is not yet ready, but 90% of my website is already complete. So I can say 90% of my website is already done, and I just need a little bit of retouch of some of the pages, some of the information around it. Now sa ibaba pa ng website, may another tayong opt-in form. So this is actually my newsletter. So every Monday I am sending some email regarding some tips on tricks on photography, productivity, and everything. The footer is you can find also the social link icon, then as well some of the link information. So basically it is simple website. I just have some, so may ilang page lang siya, blog page, about page, contact page, and resource page. Then if we going to that about page, so pag pumunta tayo sa about page, you will find some more information about me and some of the information that how you can contact me. So pag pumunta naman tayo sa contact page, so it's just a simple form lang guys na you can put more information about you and how you can contact me as well. So pag pumunta tayo sa resources page, you will find some information on some of my apps and tools na ginagamit ko around this internet business or even sa aking website and my YouTube channel. So Squarespace is the main platform that I use for my website, and Epidemic Sound is kung saan kinukuha ko lahat ng aking mga music for my YouTube videos. And ConvertKit is my email marketing software choice. Then I have this blog page, then a link for my YouTube channel. Yeah, and I think that's it for my website. So very simple lang guys. So let's go to some of my tips on how you can design and create your website. So first of all, just make it simple. Wag nang masyadong madaming kulay, and wag yung masyadong flashy, may mga lumilitaw na picture, may pumapasok dito, pumapasok dyan. So just create a simple website. The most important thing is the content on your website and the viewer experience. Now when it comes to color, choose your color palette. You can check this website, Color Hunt, and I think they have this beautiful color collection na pwede mong pagpilian when it comes to your website. So one of the most important part of a website is the opt-in form. So this is how you collect your visitors information, especially email address. No, hindi lang basta-basta of course na ibibigay ng visitors yung kanyang contact information or email address unless you give it something back for free. So it should be back and forth between you and your visitors. Okay, yeah, so that's my mini tour of my website final design. So these are my plans for the next couple of months. So every Monday I am sending an email in my email newsletter called Monday Meetings. So actually nag-start na tong email newsletter ko since April of this year. So every Tuesday and Friday I am posting a new videos on my channel. So subscribe na, okay? Then every Wednesday I'm going to post a blog post on this website to document all my learnings and my journey along the way while on board here. I don't know sa Thursday ko anong pwede kong gawin. But yeah, that's it. So it's going to be busy on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And guys, if you haven't signed to my email newsletter, sign up na. Okay? Alright, okay, yeah, so that's it. I think if you have any question, let me know on the comment below. And hopefully see you on my next video. Bye-bye. Peace.